product advisor here at Belleville Toyota. This is my 2021 Tundra, and I'm excited to tell you today about the 2022. Follow me. This is the 2022 Double Cab Limited Edition in magnetic gray. The new Tundra has a whole new front end design. You have your new grille with your active shutters, adjustable LED headlights, which are great for when you're towing. Underneath the hood, the Tundra is featuring a very powerful twin turbo V6 engine, which gives you 389 horsepower, 479 pounds of torque, giving you over 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, as you can see here on this TRD Sport that I sold. This vehicle not only gives you all this power, it also saves you tons of fuel, with your average liters being around 12.2 liters per 100. And in the spring, we're going to be featuring a hybrid, which is going to be an inline hybrid, which will give you more power, make it even more phenomenal. Moving down the side, the double cab comes with a standard 6.5 foot box. You can also get it in an 8.1 foot box. On this one, you'll notice that we added on the Toyota accessory of the tri-fold hard tunnel cover. A new feature of the double cab, you actually have a full-size handle. Opening up, you see the same nice back seat with the storage underneath the seat that we've all come accustomed to. One new great thing that it didn't have before is heated rear back glass. Now let's check out the CrewMax. This is the 2022 Tundra CrewMax Limited Edition. It has the panoramic roof, the great big huge back seat. The back window in all CrewMaxes slide perfectly down, which is one of my favorites. The back seat has a nice armrest with extra cup holders. The new CrewMax, you can lift the seat up and there's extra storage right underneath. That's where I like to hide my potato chips. If you pull this up, this is something totally new for 22. It actually slides down, giving you extra storage here. For kids, there's 2 charging ports and a 120 volt plug-in back here. All of our vehicles come with these nice rubber mats that go right over top of the hump. I'm just ready for a road trip now. We're now inside the 2022 Double Cab Tundra Limited Edition, and some of the new key features which I absolutely love is it's the first time in any of our double cabs we have a moonroof. Another great new feature to the Limited is this beautiful 14-inch screen. The Limited features dual climate control, ventilated and heated seats, a nice beautiful wireless charger. All Tundras equipped with towing packages also come equipped with trailer brakes. 4-wheel drive selects, where it's your 2 high, your 4 high, and your 4 low. Then you have your drive modes. Moving on to safety. This is the very first time in any of the Toyota truck lineup that they are offering Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. This includes all the safety features you already know and have grown to love over the years, plus some key features such as your pre-collision system with the risk avoidance, intuitive parking at the front and at the rear, and the road sign assist. And the very best part is you can adjust them all from the controls right here on the steering wheel. This is the first vehicle in Toyota's lineup to have the brand new multimedia system. It is so easy to create your driver profile as the vehicle prompts you throughout the entire process. You can link a key fob for an even more personalized experience. All Tundras offer 3 years of free Remote Connect and Safety Connect compared to the previous 1 year. It is also the very first Toyota with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We are now on a very unmaintained road off the smooth highway. This is my favorite road to go on test drives because it really lets you know what the suspension feels like when you're on a bumpier road. And I must say, what they've done to this new Tundra is amazing. It is so smooth and you barely even feel these bumps. Wow. The 2022 Tundra has so many firsts for Tundras, I couldn't even touch on half of them. And to be honest, I am super stoked for when the hybrid comes out. So this is Tania from Belleville Toyota signing off, hoping you enjoyed our review on the 2022 Tundra. Hope to see you soon. Actually, I hope to see you in Belleville test driving the 2022 Tundra with me.